I'm sure some of you already felt that recession is around the corner. It's coming soon, and it's gonna get worse. Hi, Hanson here. Today I'm gonna talk a little bit about how COVID-19, the coronavirus, will affect the economy and how I can help you all in a way to prepare for the worst, the recession. I have a few friends just came back from other countries from their holiday. The first thing they told me is not about how good their holiday was, but it's about how the virus have affected the tourism industry. There's one statement that I never heard in my life before. This is what the tour guide told one of my friends. After this group of yours went back to Malaysia, I'm not sure when is the next tour group is going to come. This is what the tour guide said to one of my friends that recently came back from Bali. As you all know, Bali is a place where there's a lot of tourists. The local people's income heavily rely on tourism. With the virus outbreak from Wuhan, it caused the tourism industry to go down. F&B is another industry that will be heavily affected by this coronavirus. People tend to be more careful and choose not to eat out to prevent themselves from getting affected by the virus. So indirectly, restaurants owners that are barely surviving from their business will be badly affected. Let me give you an insight. Hai Di Lao and Starbucks have temporarily closed down most of their outlets in mainland China due to Wuhan coronavirus outbreak. Many people will be out of job. When there's a lot of people out of job, that's one of the signs of recession. Can you see how serious this has become? I'm sure some of you already felt that recession is around the corner. It's coming soon, and it's gonna get worse. Okay, enough with the fear and virus and all this bad news. Let's stay positive and think how to overcome the situation if recession really happens. The good news is, I will let you know how to leverage on bank facilities during this time. As you know, interest rate has been really low now due to reduction in OPR rate at the end of January this year. You can take this advantage for your own good use. So how do you do it? For those who have property or properties on hand, regardless you are still paying for the housing loan or already fully settled it, listen carefully, Listen carefully and listen carefully. This is very important. Now, this is the best time for you to consider refinance. Some of you might think, hey, Xiao man, now economy so bad, still want me to borrow loan? Bro, can die faster like that. Listen carefully again. Refinance, yes, it will increase your commitment, but then you have cash flow on hand to stand by for worst case scenario. Example, recession. And also to increase your cash flow. If you are running a business, this will help you a lot. Imagine what happens when you have a lot of property, no cash on hand. When recession happens, how are you going to survive? Sell your house? The process of selling a house will take roughly about 3 to 6 months time. Can you survive that long? Think about it. So refinance is just one of the options that you can think about. What about those who don't have properties? I'll be with you. No worries, I got a solution for you. You can opt for personal loan. This is another option for you to stand by cash on hand if you don't have a property. The process is faster compared to refinance. As for personal loan, you can get the money within 1 to 2 weeks time, whereas refinance takes about 2 to 3 months. However, the amount you can cash out via refinance is very much higher compared to personal loan. Oh yeah, do bear in mind, applying personal loan is to stand by for worst case scenario, not to use the cash to spend on online shopping or other unnecessary stuff. So personal loan is the second option. Do you want to know the third option? Third option is to get a business loan. This is very favorable for business owner. You can increase your company cash flow to sustain your business during these bad times. As for business loan or so-called SME loan, if you already have plans to get or in planning to get it, better do it now when your company profile is still healthy, before your business is affected by the bad economy. If not, very hard for you to get the loan later on. Bonus time! This one I think not many people are aware of this method. There's another way to get cash on hand. Fast process, no need property, payback in monthly installment method with 0% interest. This promotion is still valid when I was shooting this video. Do you want to know what it is? This bonus method is to apply for a new HSBC credit card. You can get instant cash of 12,000 ringgit upon successful application, and you can pay back by monthly installment method. You can get more than 12,000, but there is a terms and condition applied. A side note, I'm not affiliate with HSBC and they are not paying me to promote their credit card. I'm just suggesting another method to get cash on hand. So to conclude, there are 4 methods to get cash. One is refinance, second personal loan, third business loan or SME loan, fourth is to apply a new HSBC credit card. So if any one of you would like to know more about your own financial profile, not sure whether your profile can apply for a refinancing, personal loan or credit card, you can contact me via this number. We can do a one-on-one consultation for free. If you find this video helpful and informative, do like and share it with your loved ones, your friends, business partner, clients and so forth. For those who don't know who am I, my name is Hanson. I'm an outsourced mortgage banker by day and a property investor by night. Do follow my Facebook page and Instagram to get more updates regarding banking, finance and investment update. Thank you for watching. Bye.